everyone, welcome back to a new video. In today's video, let's discuss how to create a leave type in Horilla. So for that, let's navigate to the leave module, and under the leave module, we have the leave types. So let's go to the leave types, and in the leave types, we'll be able to view the leave types that are currently there in the company in a card view, along with its little details like its payment, that is whether it is paid or unpaid, and total days under that leave types. To view more details on the leave type, we can click on this, and we'll be able to view more details of that leave type, like the period in day, that is total days, and then whether it can be reset or not. Then we have the carry forward type is paid, whether it requires approval, and it requires attachment or not. Then we have the exclude company leaves, exclude holidays, and whether it is encashable or not. And we can also perform any updations to the leave type that has already been created from here by clicking on this edit button. And let's say we have to change the total number of days to 19. Then we can click on this update. And we can see that the total days has been updated over here. And then if you want to assign these leave types to any employees in specific, we can click on this assign, and we'll be able to assign the leave type to specific employees. And then if you want to delete the leave type, we can click on this delete, and you can confirm whether we want to delete this leave type or not. And then we have the filter option, that is if you want to filter out any leave type based on its leave type details, we can do it from here. And then we also have some advanced features to filter out from, that is carry forward greater than, carry forward less than, total days greater than, total days less than, etc. And then to create a new leave type in a company, we have to click on this create button over here. So when we click on the create button, a new form appears where we have to fill in the details, and then we'll be able to create a new leave type. So let's create a new leave type. We have to add in the name first. So let's give the name as annual leave. And if you want to give any icon to the leave type that we're creating, we can choose a file over here and add an icon for this leave type. And also we can give the color for this leave type from here. Next, we have to select whether this leave type is a paid or an unpaid leave. So let's set this annual leave type as paid leave. And we have an option to limit the leave days. That is, if you want to limit the leave that an employee can take under this leave type, we can click on this leave days over here. We can on the toggle over here, and if we are limiting the leave days, we have to give the total days under this leave type over here. And if we do not want to limit the leave days, we can just off this toggle. And then next we have whether when an employee is requesting for leave under this leave type, whether that leave request needs an approval or not. We can set that from here. Like if the leave request requires an approval, we have to on this. Otherwise, we can off this. So for the leave type annual leave, it needs a approval. So we can on this toggle. And then we have the required attachment, that is for the leave request that we are creating under this leave type. That leave request requires a attachment or not. We can set it from here. And the next option we have is the exclude company holidays. That is, if an employee is requesting for leave for 5 days, and within that 5 days time range, if any company holidays falls, we can exclude the company holidays from the number of days he has took by enabling this toggle. So it's on this, and we can also exclude the public holidays by owning this over here. And next feature is encashable. That is, if we need to encash the pending leave days. So if an employee has remaining leave under this leave type, whether that leaves can be encashed or not, we can configure it over here. So let's on this. And now to assign employees to under this leave type, we can add the employees over here like this. And we can assign multiple employees under a leave type. And we also have a feature called reset under this limit leave days. So when we limit the leave days, so let's say we are limiting the leave days under this annual leave to 12. That is, there are 12 annual leaves. and it has to be reset yearly. So to reset the leave, we can on this toggle for reset, and next we have to provide the reset period. So we have to reset the number of total days yearly. So yearly, this 12 days has to reset for the employees. And you also have to provide a reset month. It has to be January, and reset days first. And for that is on January 1st each year, the total number of days has to reset. And then we have to provide a carry forward type. That is, if the employee has not taken the leave, whether it can be carry forward or not, we can configure it over here. That is, let's say carry forward. And when we select carry forward, we have to provide a carry forward max. That is, this much number of days can be carried forwarded. That is the maximum number of leave that can be carried forward. So let's give 8. And if we are giving the carry forward type as carry forward with expire, we have to provide an expire period also. So it is the time period for the expiration of the carry forward leave. So let's give the carry forward expired period as month. And next we have the carry forward expiring. That is the count of carry forward expire period. So let's give 10 months. So like this, we can provide the reset and the carry forward for this leave type. So let's save this leave type over here. Now let's create this. Here we can see that the annual leave, the leave type has been created. And to view more details of the leave type, we can click on this. Here we'll be able to view the details of the leave type that we have just created. So here we have provided is encashable as yes. So while we are creating or requesting for encashment, we'll be able to select this leave type. So let's go to payroll, and under the payroll we have the encashments and reimbursements. So from here we'll be able to create a new leave encashment. So while requesting for a leave encashment, we can see that we can select this leave type since we have given is encashable as yes. So this is how we can create a new leave type in Horilla. Hope it is clear, and thank you for watching.